Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. So let's go ahead and tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right, tap settings and privacy, and then tap on privacy. So you can see that on the first option or the upper part or the account. So under privacy, scroll down a bit and tap on profile views. Now make sure that this is toggled on so that you'll be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. But if it's off, then you won't be able to see who viewed your profile. So you can just turn it on and off at your most convenient time. At the same time, you can also do this for you to see this on your account. The same page under settings and privacy, look for free up space and tap clear to clear your cache. And I hope this process would enable you to show the profile views on your TikTok account. So if this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.